Here is another piece of machinery going to Poland. This machine was developed specifically for hemp biomass to separate seeds and stalks, which is good for extraction. And now we are going to Poland, to client farm, to make trials start. At first I want to go around the machine together with you and to talk about everything, and then we will make a trial test. In our case we have like continuous line. When we put biomass into the dryer, after 1 hour we get like a product already, so there is no people interruption into the process. So the first thing is safety. You need to understand that everywhere is rotating parts. Now it's safe to work. You can work 24 hours per day, but each hour to check, to stop it for 1 minute, open it, to check everything is okay. Yeah, or to change the level a bit. So just keep in mind when you changing the parameters, the angle or the speed of rotation. When you do that, after 5 or 10 minutes, you see the result. If there is too much stalk somewhere, if it were wet or something, take it away, open. So guys, I think in general we finished, yes? It was a long trip, but finally home. Client is happy, so worth it. See you on the next episode.